Okay, so one thing you're going to find in Spanish supermarkets is they have a fresh fish counter, and as you can see there, look at the different varieties of fish. Oh, they've got razor clams there, squid, prawns, and it's like everyone's getting fish, and it's just something that you might see them doing shopping on a Saturday morning, things like that, because they're going to cook a good meal in the afternoon or for Sunday lunch or something like that. It's all for, and the fishmonger there will prepare it all for you. They'll dehead the fish so you can do a good stock for the fish and all that. It's great, and it's just like something that is missing in the UK now. You don't really see that anymore. But in Spain, it's a big thing to have fresh fish, and it's just absolutely fantastic.